at the surface was positively charged. From that, I would like you to decide what the charge of this nucleus that he was working with was. What was its charge? If you concluded it was positive, then we are in agreement. In one of our last sessions, we also talked about, don't mind my phone, we also talked about the charge of the electrons. If the core of this thing is positively charged, because the neutrons don't have a charge, if it's positively charged, what charge must the electrons be for it to be intact like this? It is whole, it is all together. What charge must the electrons bear? Remember, I presented